How to fix Messenger call sound on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Messenger call sound problem on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here just type Messenger and then click on it. Click on it and scroll down until you find permissions, and here all you need to do, just you need to allow microphone and camera and then phone. Click allow, and now just go back and restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back here and go to storage, clear cache, and try again, and it will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.